Welcome back to Africa 54. Safety tests for an experimental Ebola vaccine are being fast-tracked, meaning trials on humans could start in weeks. British drug company GlaxoSmithKline says the vaccine is expected to be given to healthy volunteers in Britain and the United States in mid-September, and then to people in Gambia and Mali. Meantime, help is on the way from various sources, including ordinary Americans and Africans living in the United States. VOA's Pearson reports.
Outside a home in Washington, a sign reads, "Help Action Africa. Send supplies to Sierra Leone to fight Ebola." Inside, there are boxes filled with latex gloves, chlorine bleach, and other items. All are going to Sierra Leone to help in the effort to end the Ebola crisis. Chris Ebola of Action Africa organized the effort.
I was born on the African continent, and I continue to remain connected with the people on the mother continent.
Ebola also helps his neighbors connect with countries fighting Ebola. A Lutheran church donated the metal school desks because these desks can be disinfected and keep Ebola from spreading. Other churches raised money to ship the goods. The shipping company scaled back its fee to just cover the costs, and ordinary Americans contributed as well.
People came on the day we did our little publicity here from North Carolina. They brought supplies. We have people from Virginia, from faraway Maryland. People have responded very powerfully.
This container left the port of Baltimore and is due to arrive in Sierra Leone in early September. Action Africa also is sending another shipment of medical supplies to Nigeria.
We have a group of 25 hospitals that are going to be working with those supplies, and most of it too is more at the preventive level to make sure that the kind of outbreak that we saw in Liberia, that we see in Sierra Leone, and doesn't get to that level in Nigeria.
Eric Wowo came to the United States as a refugee from Liberia. He settled in Louisiana, where he's gathering supplies to help Liberians fight Ebola. Chlorine kills the Ebola virus, so people in West Africa mix it with water to wash their hands.
This could save a whole household in Liberia against the spread of Ebola. Liberia, this would be like $10, just one of this, which most family cannot afford.
Americans are donating soap, water, medical gloves, protective glasses, and the like.
The people from this area cannot go directly to Liberia, but they can do something to help in the process.
Wowo says these simple donations will help save hundreds of thousands of people. His goal is to send a shipment with food and medical supplies every month until the deadly virus is brought under control. Carol Pearson, VOA News.